Good morning, everybody. Happy Easter. It's Michael here. A few thoughts on today. Don't go looking for Jesus on a cross. Don't go looking for Jesus in a tomb. He has risen. He has conquered the grave. Today, the record was set straight. Instead, look for Jesus in the hearts and souls of the congregation, the brethren of Christ, the church. Look for Jesus in yourself. Look for Jesus in those that are holding signs, that need a cup of coffee or need some breakfast or need some lunch or need some gas. Look for Jesus in those that are needy and that are without. No cross, no tombs, for he is risen. I hope you all have a truly happy day. And peace and blessings be upon you, and Jesus be with you. For he is not in the grave, and he is not on the cross. Happy Easter, and I love you.